So you want to make a beat just like this? This is something that you like, something that you might be interested in. Stay tuned and do not go away. Hey, before we begin, don't forget to hit that button like and subscribe. And if you're brand new to beat making, stay through all the way to the end because I have a little something for you. Now, let's just get started. Now let's listen to the complete entire little beat. Alright, so the first thing that I did was I took the tempo and I brought it up all the way to 165. Then right after the tempo, I did the kick pattern. I know this is kind of weird, but stay with me here. This is what the kick pattern sounds like. To the kick pattern, I just lay down the chord progression. And it sounds pretty much just like the kick pattern. Let's take a listen. After the chord progression, I lay down a quick counter melody. This is what it sounds like. After the counter melody, I went right back in and I laid down the clap. And this is what the clap sounds like. After the clap, went back in and I laid down the hi-hat. This is what the hi-hat sounds like. After the hi-hat, went back in there and I laid down the bass, or 808. This is what it sounds like. After the bass line, I wanted to add a little something extra, so I just added an open hi-hat. This is what it sounds like. So, you're a complete beginner and you want to try to figure out how to make a beat just like this one. If you're anything like me, you probably spend a ton of time watching YouTube videos trying to figure out how to make a beat. Well, lucky for you, this is where I come in. Just go down to my webpage called beatmakingforbeginners.com and download my free mini course called How to Make a Beat for the Complete Beginner. And again, this is absolutely free. All you have to do is register. Don't forget, beatmakingforbeginners.com. Alright, don't forget to hit that button like and to hit subscribe. And I can't wait to see you in my next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.